If you want to unlink your Facebook account from another service or app, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser or app and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page or the menu icon in the app and select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section will show you all the apps and services that are currently linked to your Facebook account. Step 4. Select the app to unlink. Browse through the list of connected apps and websites. Click on the checkbox next to the app or service you want to unlink. Step 5. Remove the app. After selecting the app, click on the Remove button that appears. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the app is unlinked from your Facebook account. By following these steps, you can easily unlink any unwanted apps or services from your Facebook account.